The Sea by G. Morrison. The sea is green, the sea is grey, the sea's for work as well as play. The sea is dull, the sea is bracht, the sea is bonny in a fine summer's night. The sea is coarse, the sea is calm, comes in like a lion and out like a lamb. The sea is strange and often weird, to be respected as well as feared. The sea is wheat, the sea is gall, the sea is young, but yet it's all. The sea is strong, the sea is rough, it's made with salty, watery stuff. The sea is full, the sea is clear, it can be peace, it can be fear. The sea changes every day, it gives you waves, it gives you spray. The sea is low, it can be high, a wa high note it can reach the sky. The sea thrusts its sail on the shore, it can be exciting, but never a bore. The sea's your enemy, the sea's your friend, it can swallow hale boats never to be seen. The sea is flat, the sea is steep, it can be shallow, it can be deep. The sea is silent, the sea is vast, it hides strange secrets for the past. The sea is clear, the sea is pure, the sea is clean, but I'm nae so sure. The sea's polluted with stuff called ile, the slicks float on mile after mile. The sea's full of chemicals coming out of the sewer, it's killing marine life oor after oor. We can all see if it's wrong, but we canna be telt. Things left to happen because they're nae felt.